In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Trello board public. Whether you're looking to share your project management processes with a broader team or showcase your work to the world, making a Trello board public can be a great way to increase visibility. Let's dive into these steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Trello website. Open your preferred web browser and go to Trello.com. If you're not logged in already, click on the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and continue to your Trello account homepage. If you haven't used Trello before, you'll need to set up an account, but for today's tutorial, we're assuming you already have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Trello workspace. This area is the hub of all your Trello boards, where you'll see a list of the boards you've created or have been shared with you within the workspace. Here, locate and select the specific board that you want to make public. Look for the board that you intend to edit and click on it. Once you're in your chosen board, you'll see a menu icon, often represented as 3 dots. This icon holds various options for customizing your board. Click on these 3 dots to open up a menu of settings and preferences. Within the menu, locate and select the visibility option, often indicated with the term visibility workspace. This is where you'll manage how your board is shared with other people. Click on visibility to explore the sharing settings. In the visibility settings, you'll notice different options such as private, workspace, and public. To share your board with anyone on the internet, you'll want to select public. When you make a board public, anyone with the link can see it, so be sure this is the setting you wish to choose. If you're managing sensitive or proprietary information, consider carefully before proceeding. Remember, a public board is visible to anyone with the link and might be indexed by search engines, making it accessible to a wider audience. This is perfect for projects or boards intended for large group collaboration or educational purposes. And that's it, your Trello board is now set to public, allowing others to view it. You can share the link to your board by navigating to the URL in your browser. If at any point you decide you want to change the board back to private or workspace only, you can follow these same steps and select the desired level of visibility. By following these steps, you maintain control over who sees your content, which is crucial no matter the project size. Thank you for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.